Hey everyone! Step into a world of imagination and wonder with Storybook.
Once upon a time, in a sunny jungle, there lived a curious elephant named Inky. Inky loved to explore and try new things. He would wander through the jungle, sniffing flowers, chasing butterflies, and splashing in the river with his friends. One day, while walking through the trees, Inky found a shiny, strange fruit hanging from a tall tree. It was golden and sparkled in the sunlight. "I have never seen anything like this before," Inky thought. Being the curious elephant Inky decided to take a bite. As soon as he took a bite, something magical happened. Inky looked down at his big grey legs and gasped. They were disappearing. His trunk, his ears, even his tail, everything was turning invisible. Inky was still there, but no one could see him. "Uh-oh," said Inky, waving his invisible trunk around. "What do I do now?" At first, Inky felt scared. He didn't know how to make himself visible again. He went to his friends to ask for help, but they couldn't see him, and they didn't understand when they heard his voice. But then, Inky had an idea. Maybe being invisible isn't so bad, he thought. Maybe I can help my friends in a new way. The next day, Inky noticed his friend, Tilly the tortoise, stuck in a thorny bush. Usually, Inky would use his trunk to help there, but today, no one could see him. So quietly and quickly, Inky moved the thorns out of the way without Tilly even knowing who helped her. Later, Inky saw a group of monkeys arguing over a big bunch of bananas. They couldn't decide who could get the biggest share. Inky, being invisible, secretly took the biggest banana and placed it on the tallest tree branch. The monkeys stopped arguing and began laughing, thinking the bananas were playing a trick on them. Soon, they all shared the bananas happily. As the days went by, Inky used his invisibility to help even more. He helped his friend Leo the lion find his lost toy, gently nudged sleepy birds back to their nests, and even helped the butterflies find flowers. All of his friends were happier even though they didn't know who was helping them. One evening, after a long day of helping, Inky found himself back under the same tree where he had eaten the shiny fruit. There was one last golden fruit left. Inky took a deep breath and ate the fruit. Slowly, his legs, his trunk, and his ears became visible again. He rushed to his friends and said, "It was me. I was the one who helped all of you while I was the invisible." His friends cheered and hugged Inky, thanking him for all the kind things he had done. From that day on, Inky knew whether he was visible or invisible, being kind and helpful made him feel special. And whenever his friends needed him, Inky was always there whether they could see him or not. And so, Inky and his friends lived happily in the jungle, where kindness was always available and visible even when Inky wasn't.